Hello everyone. Nowadays, the climate changes unpredictably. Sometimes it's rainy and sometimes it's sunny. You can't predict when it's rainy day. Some customers reflect that their walkie-talkie isn't waterproof. Every rainy day, they are worried about wet the walkie-talkie. So they won't take it out to use, because most of the radios cost high. Therefore, I would like to introduce a waterproof bag for walkie-talkie. We have promoted this bag to customer before. The benefit of the waterproof bag is containing strong waterproof. But the disadvantages is complexity mounting process. Now, I will show it to you. Firstly, put the walkie-talkie into the waterproof bag. Then, close it tightly. After closing it, you can use it. But it takes too long time for mounting. And it's also inconvenience. If the rain is not too heavy, we will need a simply waterproof bag. I would like to introduce another waterproof bag. This is easier to use. And the material is also thicker. The sound will be a little bit blocked. The sound that you listen and talk will be a little bit low. These two bags are more suitable for extremely bad weather. Now, I would like to introduce the easiest use waterproof bag. The advantages of this bag is easy to put the walkie-talkie in, and it just takes a few seconds, and it's ready to use. It is convenient and easy to take away. There are many sizes you can choose. It depends on the size of walkie-talkie. Owing to the material is thin, the sound will be louder to receive and send. When the rain stops, you just need to take off the bag and fold it. Thus, you can use it again next time.